Imagine running as fast as you can to catch a giant, glowing golden cookie. Every time you get close, someone moves it further away and yells, "Nope." You need 1,000,000 cookies before you can sit down and rest. Sounds exhausting, right? Well, that is exactly what grown-ups are told about money every single day. Big banks and commercial ads keep telling everyone, if you don't have millions of dollars, you can never stop working. But guess what? It's a giant fairy tale. Today, we are busting the myth of the $1,000,000 target. We're going to unlock a secret, magical threshold, the $600,000 line, where the rules of money completely change, and your savings quietly start doing all the hard work for you. Grab your lemonade, sit down with your parents, and let's reveal the truth. Let's build a picture in your mind. When you first start saving money, it's like planting a tiny seed in a greenhouse. Every month, you have to carry heavy buckets of water. You work hard, you sweat, and you pour your effort into that little pot. You are doing 100% of the work. But what happens when that seed grows into a giant $600,000 tree? Something wild happens. The tree starts growing its own golden apples, about 7% real growth every single year after inflation. Do you know how much 7% of $600,000 is? It's $42,000 every year. Think about that for a second. An average grown-up wakes up at 6 a.m., drives through traffic, sits at a desk for 8 hours, and answers to a boss just to earn a living. But your $600,000 tree generates $42,000 all on its own. It doesn't take naps. It doesn't ask for vacation days. It doesn't complain about Mondays. Your money has officially become a superhero worker living right inside your greenhouse. Here is how you know you've hit the magical flip. Think of your wealth like a train journey. At the start, you are pushing the train from behind. Your savings account is just a sleepy passenger sitting in the back car. But as your savings stack up, there comes a moment called the crossover point. If you take what you save each year and multiply it by 14, that shows you the exact moment the passenger turns into the engine. Once your balance hits around $600,000, even a super disciplined saver putting away thousands of dollars a month can no longer outsave what the market produces on a good year. You get to stop pushing the train. You climb inside the front seat, sip your hot chocolate, and let the engine pull you across the country. Now, every great adventure story has a villain. In the world of money, the villain is called a market crash. Every few years, the stock market takes a big roller coaster drop. If your account drops by 35%, someone with a small piggy bank loses the cost of a toy car. But someone with $600,000 sees a drop that looks like the price of a whole house. That scary visual makes grown-ups panic. They scream, press panic buttons, and sell everything at the absolute worst moment. But here is the secret weapon to defeat that monster. The cash shield. Instead of keeping all your treasure in the market, you keep 1 to 2 years of living money, say $20,000 to $30,000, in a simple, cozy cash box on the side. When the market storm arrives, you don't chop down your golden tree. You just open your cozy cash box, pay your bills, and let the storm pass. You never have to sell a single branch while the sun is hidden. So, if $600,000, combined with standard retirement checks like Social Security, is enough for a comfortable, happy life, why do television experts keep telling you that you need millions and millions? Let's follow the cookie crumbs. Many financial managers charge a 1% fee every year to look after your pile of money. If your pile is $600,000, their slice of pizza is $6,000. If your pile is $1.5 million, their slice of pizza becomes $15,000. If they tell you, hey, you have enough, go enjoy your life with your family, their slice of pizza stops growing. But if they tell you, you're behind, keep working, keep depositing, they get to eat bigger slices forever. It's not a secret evil plot, it's just a business trick. Once you realize the math was built to keep you chasing, you can finally choose to step off the hamster wheel. Here is the most surprising truth of all. To get to $600,000, you had to be active, energetic, and focused. You saved your dollars and worked hard. But once you cross that line, your new superpower is restraint and patience. The worst thing you can do to a thriving garden is to dig up the seeds every afternoon to check if they're growing. You don't sell in a panic during storms. You don't run off to buy flashy sports cars just because the account looks big. You just let time and compounding do their magic. Building wealth takes hustle. Keeping wealth takes calmness. Understanding money isn't about memorizing confusing math equations, it's about learning how the world really works so you can claim your time and freedom. If you and your family learned something new today and want to uncover more financial truths, click that subscribe button right now. Hit the notification bell, share this video with someone who is working way too hard, and leave a comment down below. If your money was a superhero, what would its name be? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.